How to set up network boot on an ASUS motherboard. Boot option 1, follow these steps. Advanced. Network stack configuration. Network stack. Enable. IP version 4 PXE support. Enable. IP version 6 PXE support. Enable. Back. Boot. CSM. Compatibility support module. Launch CSM. Disable. Changes. Okay? Back. Boot option 1. Save changes and restart your computer to apply them. Save changes and reset changes. Next, set up network boot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. UEFI IP version 4 Ethernet controller. UEFI IP version 6 Ethernet controller. Save changes and boot your computer over the network.